Today I'm going to show you how to protect the Excel file with the password. And if you share the Excel file to anyone, he can only open with your password, but he can't able to modify anything. He can delete or change the data. So let's start. First you have to open that particular Excel sheet, then go to file, then go to protect workbook, then encrypt with the password. Here you put the password 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can give a strong password. Now okay, so this is why you can protect your Excel file with the password. Now back, now save. This is step only you can protect with password. If you shared in this initiate step, anyone can edit the data. Now how you will log the Excel workbook? Again you have to go file, click protect workbook, then protect current sheet. Here you have to tick all the options. Now here you have to give separate password. If I know the password, then only I can edit the workbook, otherwise I can't. So this password must be different from your previous password. Now I am given 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, then save. Now close it. Now if I am going to open, it will ask password 1 2 3 4 5 6, which I given previous. Okay, now it's open. If I want to go, if I want to do anything, see the cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make a changes and protect the sheet, okay, you must be the request to the enter password. Now what is the process for unencrypted that file? You have to go file, protect workbook, then here protect current sheet. You have to click 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, which password is given 7 times. Okay, then save. Now you can do the changes. Got it? So again, if you want to protect the file, go to workbook. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, then save. So this is the step. Thank you for watching my video.